What's up, guys? So today we're going to talk about the Android TV box, what it is and what you can use it for, just in case maybe there's someone out there that wants to buy one, or you already have one but you don't really know what to use it for. Okay, so we are running a little promotion and we are giving away 5 of these boxes. So all you have to do is you have to subscribe and leave a comment, and you stand a chance to win one of these TV boxes. So this TV box, this is used to connect your old TV set so that it sort of like convert it to work as a smart television set. Okay, so when you buy a TV box, it will come with the TV box. The TV box is a bit small. It looks like this. This is the TV box, this one. And then it also comes with the remote and also the HDMI cable, and obviously the power pack. And also in the box there will be a user manual to help you operate the TV box. Okay, so those are the components that you should expect inside the box when you buy your Android TV box. Alright, so what's the importance of this box? So this box, what it was designed for is that we used to have our TV sets from way back, and then when the smart TV sets came, there are some people who could afford to buy new TV sets, but it's not everyone that will be having enough money to buy a new TV when you already have one. So this is where the TV box comes into play. So you just buy this box. This box, it goes for around 700 rand. And then if you buy it, you just connect to the old TV set that you have, and then you'll be having all the functions that a smart TV set will be having. So just like any other electronic gadget, the TV box also has certain specifications that you're supposed to look at when you are buying one. Alright, so the first and most important thing that you should look at is the RAM size. So when you want to get a TV box that won't give you any problems, any buffering issues, you should get a RAM of at least 2 gigabytes. That's the first thing that you should look at. And then the second one is the flash memory, or the total memory that will be there in the TV box. So you can get anything from 8 gigabytes going upwards. Usually the ones that will be having 2 gigabytes of RAM will be having 16 gigabytes of the flash memory. So now that you have your TV box and you've got a TV, what do you need for it to operate? Okay, so you need a Wi-Fi connection. So if you don't have Wi-Fi, you need to get your ISP to connect you to your Wi-Fi, so that you'll be able to connect your TV box to the internet, because it works over the internet. So now let's talk about the function. What can you do with this TV box? So there are a lot of people that will tell you that you can watch free movies, you can do A, B, C, etc., etc. So the thing is, this is not a magic box. This is just a gadget, and it's got its limitations. And then it has some applications that can run on it, and some applications that cannot run on it. Okay, so when you're using the Android TV box, the interior or the operating system is an Android operating system, meaning to say it is using the same operating system that are being used in most smartphones. Okay, so it means any application that can run on your Android phone can also run on your TV box. You see that when you open the applications on your TV box, you see that there will be a Play Store where you can go and download applications on the marketplace. So let's just quickly list some of the applications, or the main applications, or the applications that I think you would love to use on your TV box. Alright, so you can use Netflix. Most of them, they come with Netflix pre-installed. Yeah, there is also Showmax, and on some of them there is DSTV now. Okay, why am I saying on some of them? So what is happening with this TV box is that there are a lot of companies that are making these boxes, but most of those companies do not have a proper contract with Google, because Google is the one that owns Android operating system. So what will be happening is that they will not be Google certified, and then if they are not Google certified, it means that there are some applications that will not run on that Android box. So when you're buying your Android box, you should make sure that whatever gadget that you buy, it will be Google certified. Usually there will be where it is written Google certified, or you can ask your supplier if it is Google certified or not. Okay, so we said DSTV now, Netflix, Showmax. You can also Skype, you can also do Zoom, you can also browse. In brief, this works as a mini computer. Okay, you can do a lot of things that a computer can do. You can check your emails as well, etc., etc. So this is just a brief description of our Android TV box. So like I said before, that we're running a promotion. We are giving away 5 of this TV box. What you have to do is you have to subscribe and you have to leave a comment. So I said before that this Android box comes with this remote, but when you're doing things like typing in, maybe you want to search for something on YouTube on the TV box, you'll see that it's a bit difficult for you to navigate using this remote that comes with the TV box. So there is another gadget that you can actually buy to make your life easy. So there's this mini keyboard. It's a wireless keyboard that you can also buy, but usually you buy it separately, and it costs about 200 rands here in South Africa. So you can also get yourself this mini keyboard. The box is like this, and it's got backlights, and you can also use it on your laptop or on your smart TV as well. So here, if you see here, there are all the places or all the gadgets that you can use it on. Okay, so that is the main keyboard. So this is an additional accessory that you can actually buy to make your experience with the TV box more smooth. All right, so I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the support that you give us. Bye for now.